Hello everybody! May tanong ako, paano mo masasabi na yung lupa na kinatitirikan ng bahay mo ay talagang sayo? How many of you know the need to secure your ownership over your land so that you could safely say that the land is yours? Hello everyone, this is Attorney Samuel Agalos. Welcome to another video kung saan magbibigay ako ng mga tips so that you could protect your property. Let me tell you a story. Si Jerry ay kapitbahay namin. Bumili siya ng lupa sa likod ng aming subdivision at pumunta siya sa akin para magpatulong dahil gusto niyang bumili ng lupa na walang titulo. Ano ang proof of ownership ng nagbebenta? Tax declaration. Yung tax declaration niya covers, listen to this, 8 hectares of land. Ang bibilhin ni Jerry ay 500 square meters of lot 4587 GSS 370. Ang tanong niya sa akin is this, safe ba na bumili ng lupa gamit lang ng tax declaration? And I answered his question with several questions. Number 1, do you know the particular location of the 500 square meter lot na bibilhin mo? Second, na-subdivide na ba yung lupa? And third, who is the owner and who is the actual possessor of the land? And another question is this, bakit hanggang ngayon wala pa itong titulo? Sounds familiar? Do you hear similar stories? Ito ang kadalasang problema ngayon. Marami pa rin sa atin ang bumibili ng lupa na ang proof of ownership lang ay tax declaration. Sabi nila, basta akong nakaposisyon, bahala na. Alam nyo, mali po yan. Remember this, my friends. It is dangerous to buy a land covered only by a tax declaration. Bakit? Kasi ganito yon. Kung wala kang titulo, paano mo masasabi na ang lupa ay sayo? For example, may asawa ka. Paano mo masasabi na yung babaeng kasama mo ay asawa mo? Anong proof? Of course, the marriage contract. In other words, when you claim a property, you must have a title of that property. And if you don't have a title yet, you need to acquire title or apply a title of your land. This is for your protection. Bakit? Here is the reason. A title of a land is the document that proves your ownership over your property. It is your evidence of your right of ownership over a piece of land. It is a proof of the extent of your interest over a land so that you could maintain control and assert right to exclusive possession and enjoyment of the property. Alam niyo mga kapatid, your land title has many advantages. You can use it as a collateral for a loan or you could sell it at a higher price. And you can only do that if you have a title. I hope this is of help. Friends, know your rights and I am here to help you understand the different issues involving real properties. And see you in my next episode. Again, this is Attorney Samuel Agalos. Have a good day, everyone, and to God be the glory.